Welcome back, viewer. Today, we have something truly special for you. In this video, we are diving deep into the realm of motivation and success. Prepare to embark on an inspiring journey that will ignite your spirit, push your limits, and help you unlock your true potential. So, let's get started. What is motivation? Motivation is the fire that fuels our dreams, propels us forward, and empowers us to conquer the challenges that stand in our way. It's that magical force that turns ordinary individuals into extraordinary achievers. Motivation can be found in the stories of incredible individuals who dared to dream big and worked relentlessly to turn their dreams into reality. From athletes breaking world records to entrepreneurs revolutionizing industries, their journeys are a testament to the power of perseverance and determination. But motivation isn't limited to those in the spotlight. Each one of us can tap into our inner reservoir of inspiration and drive. It begins with a single thought, a burning desire to create change, to make a difference, and to become the best version of ourselves. So, how can we cultivate and sustain motivation in our own lives? Let's explore some key strategies that can help us on this transformative journey. Setting clear goals. Goals provide direction and purpose. By defining what you want to achieve, you create a roadmap for success. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and celebrate each milestone along the way. Embracing positive self-talk. Our thoughts shape our reality. Replace self-doubt and negative self-talk with empowering affirmations and beliefs. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. You are capable of greatness. Surrounding yourself with supportive people. The company we keep greatly influences our motivation. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire, challenge, and uplift you. Build a network of like-minded individuals who believe in your dreams. Learning from failure. Failure is not the end, it's a valuable lesson in disguise. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. Remember, every setback is an opportunity for growth. Taking action. Motivation without action is merely a fleeting thought. Take consistent, intentional steps toward your goals. Even small actions, when done consistently, lead to remarkable results. Motivation is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. It's a commitment to personal growth, self-improvement, and embracing challenges head-on. Along the way, you may face obstacles and moments of doubt, but remember, your potential is limitless. When motivation wavers, seek inspiration from others who have overcome similar challenges. Dive into books, watch speeches, and immerse yourself in the stories of those who have triumphed against all odds. Remember, motivation comes from within. It's that unshakable belief in yourself and your dreams that propel you forward, no matter what. Believe in your abilities, trust the process, and stay dedicated to your journey. As we wrap up this motivational video, I want you to take a moment and envision the person you aspire to become. See yourself achieving your goals, breaking barriers, and inspiring others with your story. You have the power within you to make it a reality. So, go out there, chase your dreams, and let motivation be the guiding force that propels you toward the extraordinary. Remember, this is just the beginning of an incredible journey of self-discovery and achievement. Thank you for joining us on this motivational adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with others who might benefit from a dose of inspiration. Until next time, stay motivated and keep reaching for the stars.